As you can see, we've already run our underlayment up the sides of the chimney. Should be about 4 inches up the side, 4 or 5 inches. Notice that we wrapped the ice and water shield around the front. We ran the front up and then wrapped the sides around the front, and then on the back side wrapped it around the side. I might point out here that notice I did not cut this shingle off. I bent it up the face of the chimney and then cut it and laid it down to the deck. This is just one extra water stop if anything should get underneath. A good practice is to perhaps use a 2x4 or a 2x6 to cut your kerf in the side of the chimney, simply resting the circular saw on top of the 2x6. That will give you a kerf height of 7 inches.
Best Buy Metals is a nationwide distributor of KasselWood steel shingles, along with other premium metal shingles manufactured by Isaiah Industries. Specializing in superior customer support and service, Best Buy has a team ready to help you determine the ideal roofing solution for your project. With core values such as committed customer service, expert-level knowledge, and creativity, along with over 50 years of combined experience, Best Buy's team is the perfect partner to ensure your project goes smoothly. Contact Best Buy Metals today at 1-800-728-4010 or online at www.bestbuymetals.com.